Hejong si Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award kipipon ma. Ladak kupipian nong isi kipipon ma, we will find out. Onke Mars achik to tak yutulo. Ko chi hamamat. Ing samping nama mokok khai mane si tame pinyar yang dut laso pose kang sama join ni si ko ka chi lo. Labang so Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award along pipon tanglo. Best Actor, male and female. Best Lyricist, Best Comedian. Lapen Best Negative Role, maten Best Actor in Negative Role. Lapen parta Best Film. La busong tathak anong nadak kipi pajir pon do piglang pusipo. Sita menili theklam long an, maten nili kilong dam ana bang si labang so video bang penili kawar panchop. Lai hui anong command actor, command actress tum si kelong ma. Lapen parta pinning 2025 ini kan Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award. Pia film si kachipolong dun ma. We will see. Well, nili hilong sot kuru dasi dengan peru kaitan yang tuam pandam te apuru. Non aprang silang pono lang lagi Best Actor Award, but in negative role. And the award goes to S.E. Kathar from Sarlong the Tiger. Lapenola Sarlong the Tiger po alam marjan long S.E. Kathar men ke Khan Kathar. Lasi pining la suri ni ring kora poning kan Khan Kathar pen maduta competitor vedeluma. We will see. So in the year 2024, Karbia film, Kubipia film logekla. Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award 2025 in kan one point ho. Ladak nominees do Togjir, Sarlong the Tiger, Nang Hello ne kai che the, Churane Omo join ne, ko pale do telong ji ok the, lapen kapadusi pardon parlo. Pulo tang te suri ni rain kora pli aning kana eklang ala marjana phandet le Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award ke penopon kali 2023 lapen 24 taning kan hini aseng kana nang eklang ala marjana phan ansi kang wai pon anu menis ke thapon athe itum langdame 2024 aning kan ke Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award bang bipon pe om het ni kamenson pentang ala marjana phan ana bang ke ni nang hedo ne kaya chit hi pola marjana bang ke ni langdunde Lapen, Jorani om alamarjan si taminili YouTube long sikela. I'm sorry for that. Hayu alamarjana long negative role do. Togjir long tadu. Jorani om ajoni long tadu. Lapen non kapadu si salong la tiger long tadu. Kithom alamarjana itum langdam pamelu potang te the best negative roles actor is Khan Kathar. Kadu kawia film long pen negative role do anabong pen sitami Khan Kathar pan ke compete unil. He's the winner. So the best negative roles actors goes to S.E. Kathar, that is the Khan Kathar from Sarlong the Tiger. Now move to the next award, that is the best comedian award in the year 2025. According to the Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award 2025, the best comedian award goes to Mr. Prem Tera. Is he a good comedian? No, he's a singer but got the best comedian award. 2024 aning kan lamarjan long comedy posona bang ke theglong komre. Jongsi, a competitor level putang te, he's the perfect one. Next, I would like to mention the Best Lyricist Award. According to the Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award, the Best Lyricist Award goes to Mr. Onteron. Lun ki luna bang ke dopik itum kaduk kawisi tami chinilo. Stame kupia pot si Mr. Onteron na labang so Best Lyricist Award long rong lo. Athe ke thek putang te teron atum henoyo. Kilona bang ke dopik lo sita kilona lun setenta karbi kurup hopan ansi pang romore lama si karju ansi tame e sama tu proye pancho bang sa sawe palam thesan si mithani chochi person nang narla kaya mata e jang pilawar teron pika chai puloke award long lelu. So the best lyricist award goes to Mr. Onteron. Now next, the best actor but in female side. According to the Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artist Award 2025, the best actor but in female side award goes to Mrs. Malinti Sopi. Ne Mrs. Puse mention pondella athimalang already adamasarella. First of all, I congratulate you and my brother Borim Teron for your marriages. Malong sabi da por si good news ta hini nilang long Best Actress Award lapen marriages. Machini non malom so baga pilu but angko akaprek a good news arju throng lok pulote ko pali do telong ji oke the pola marjam long pensi nitipi malinta Best Actress Award chepolong don la teron hem nang ki le arlo so tum gobi posi thek beret arje me beret tilol ho Now next award move to the best actor but in the male side. Rangsina Sarpo Film and Folk Artiste Award 2025 at Tengmen Putang Te Katharson Hello Best Actor in the Male Side. Anong Kachipolong Ponaba. From the movie Sarlong the Tiger. Laning kan hining bong lamran ke klang do anang bong ben bhuis me Katharson ing TC Best Actor Award Chipolong Ponog. Acting next level, just like South Indian actors. Because of karate player set expressions apang kom chatla. Kom hoy nang kokpo jong si emotional wrong putang te khan kathar se chudet pule. That's why the creator made him bold. Next award, that is the best film for the year 2023 and 2024. And the award goes to Parlin Parlo. Wow. Preview committee lapen jury members tumhanta Parlin Parlo matsi best film award chepalong lok. Labangso Parlin Parlo lamajana tomo bijole theke haitong aning kiri pentong kason se vekluma. Alang ke thek ametang aning arlo avision vekluma. Let's find out. Parlin Parlo pula bangso lam theaphan Hindi lampen paching bardam lo podang tenang klangpo hera pheri. Bangso hera pheri pola marjanong pen inspired si selam lo. I said inspired, not copy. Hera pheri ala marjanta Kidu kalam se kapeklang, but in funny way. Hera Pheri along Raju as Akshay Kumar, Shyam as Sunil Shetty, Baburao Parrao Apte as Paresh Rawal. Parlin Parlo along a character ma subsolar chat, lapen additional characters tame padul. Lahai akehai Bijoya Phulo. Kachalak nai akere nai, labangke Akshay Kumar, ladagabangke Bijoy Lekthelo. Shyam mate Sunil Shetty Hera Pheri long bangke sakuri nangachuri lapen angir pia biapan. Ladag bang Tom Jiti terang lapen labang somudyo ni amen chetene dal. Latum bahini ke Shyam alarlo. Baburao Ganpatrao Apte Paresh Rawal. Ladag bangke Prem terang. Jong sinang tum labang so Parlin Parlo alam macam kelang hut. Hera Pheri karakter yang bacing bardam lo potang te chini etpo. Lapen penangan asendo la Hera Pheri pen ke baca tonta. It is because of inspired. But remember one thing, I said it's inspired, not copy. Copy plutang te hula lamchak alamarjan sonsi copy. So, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it.